Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to remove a payment method on Ulta Beauty. If you don't have an Ulta account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. On the pop-up window, you'll see a section for Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a drop-down arrow beside your name located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the drop-down arrow. Then a drop-down list will appear. There, you will see an option for payment. Click on Payment. Now you will see the list of your payment methods. Click on the Delete option under the payment method you wish to remove. After that, a message will appear on your screen asking if you're sure to delete this payment method. To continue, click on Delete. That's how you remove a payment method on Ulta Beauty. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.